Today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacer for the old BMW E86. Let's see the difference after install 12mm wheel spacers.
These BMW wheel spacers will improve performance and appearance. By increasing the track width, these BMW spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. Upgrading performance with BMW wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems. In reality, properly installed car wheels with wheel spacers are as safe as wheels without spacers. As a reliable, precise hub-centric wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation.
The lightweight class of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.